Hey everyone, welcome back to BioInfo Tips. In this video, I'll walk you through how to automatically display statistical significance on your graphs using only GraphPad Prism. We'll go through importing your data to running the analysis to showing those beautiful asterisks or p-values right on the graph. No manual text box needed. Let's get started. First, open GraphPad and either paste your data or import it from Excel or CSV. In this video, we'll be actually analyzing the data from the YouTube channel. Let's run the statistical analysis. Here, we'll choose one-way ANOVA with a post hoc of SILAC to perform our statistical analysis and understand which groups are statistically different from each other. There you go, our statistical results. Now it's time to produce the graph. Let's go to Insert, Graph of Existing Data and choose the bar chart. Once you have your graph, the only thing you need to do now to finalize is to click on the symbol of the asterisk and choose the statistical analysis you use for this graph. Now you can either choose to denote all the statistical analyses, even the ones that are not statistically significant, or after you click OK, you just remove the ones that are not statistically significant if you choose not to display them. And that's it. You just learn how to add statistically significant comparisons to your GraphPad Prism graphs without any manual work. It's fast, accurate, and ready for publication. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe to BioInfo Tips, and let me know in the comments what kind of scientific graph you want to automate next. See you in the next one.